make sure it's clear that it's really not the court's program, it's the school's program. We're just there to be one of the partners, so.
Family Court Judge Frank Sullivan handed out awards recognizing the volunteers who make the Truancy Diversion program an enormous success. Local attorneys, social workers, and judges set up shop at local schools. Their makeshift courtrooms are designed to motivate students and remove barriers that impede their education.
And some of them just don't care. I mean, I'm all about the high fives for getting A's and B's. And I've had some kids this year say, C, good enough, D, that's stands for diploma. That'll get me through.
Local attorney Jason Stoffel practices family law, but for a few hours each week he tries to make a difference in a few students' lives. He preaches the value of learning and attending class. Just like all adults involved in the Truancy Diversion program, he considers skipping school a gateway crime.
It is. Gateway crime, what are they doing when they're skipping school? A lot of kids, they're doing drugs. They're going through their parents' prescription bottles, selling prescriptions. So I saw more of that than any year. This is my 4th year doing the program, and years ago, I think it was more methamphetamine and marijuana, things like that. This year, number 1 was probably prescription drugs. And some of them weren't even doing it, they were just selling it. And they said, I don't need to get a job, I can go sell drugs, go and take my mom's whatever prescription, anxiety pills, whatever the case may be, or hydrocodone, or that spice. That was the big thing we'd hear about, the bath salts.
More than 45 schools are part of the program. Family involvement and volunteer liaisons can help students decrease absenteeism.
Miss Julie Hutchinson, this is Julie's first year.
But as one family advocate says, many of the truant students have realistic or logistical reasons why they cut class.
A lot of them have a little more serious issues. They may not be living with the parents. Maybe home life is a little bit, disruptive at home. So we're just trying kind of there as a support system to try to get the kids to school, to try to get them, excited about school again, because a lot of them don't like school. They're bored, or a lot of the teachers are mean. So I'm that liaison between that teacher and that student, that I can go talk with that teacher and say, what's the problem? Are we having an issue? What can we figure out? What can we work out to make this kid come to school?
The Truancy Diversion program is completely voluntary. For more information, call Debbie Rose, the Truancy Diversion Coordinator, at 455-1755.